What's up, guys? I'm Joey Salads. And did you know that every 9 days, at least one toddler dies from a heat stroke in a car? I'm out here today at Venice Beach, and I'm going to show people the dangers of staying in a hot car for more than 10 minutes. What's up, guys? My name's Joe, and I'm doing a social experiment today where I show people the dangers of leaving a child in a car for more than 10 minutes in the hot sun. Would you guys like to participate and experience the dangers firsthand?
Sure.
10 minutes, you said?
It's
pretty hot. It's pretty hot in here.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
It's like the air's thick though.
Yeah, it's hot as shit. Man, my shit.
My face is like steaming.
Well, let's see how long we can go.
I see some serious fish.
I'm sweating now.
But I mean, imagine like, it's this bad for like 3 minutes. Imagine if you're in here for like half an hour. You're donezo.
Totally done so. Just very uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Like the air's thick.
Yeah. It is actually really
Yeah,
hot in here.
I'm actually really hot. Are you hot? I don't know how much longer I can take of this. Holy.
Got some sand.
I can't even imagine it for 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Okay, I can't do it. I'm done. I'm freaking sweating.
Yeah,
I'm done.
Yeah, forget it.
So you guys couldn't even handle 6 minutes in there. Easily, you know, a parent could be like, I'm gonna leave my child in the car for a few minutes, go grab a cup of coffee, they come back and the child's on the floor from heat stroke. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this. I really appreciate it, for showing an example. Excuse me, guys. Would you ever leave a child in a car unattended?
No.
No? Would you like me to demonstrate to you guys how it would feel to be left in a car alone in the hot sun for at least 10 minutes? Would you guys care to participate in the demonstration? All right, I actually parked right here.
I'm staying here for the longest. It's getting hot now.
Yeah, it's getting. I'm sweating.
It's hot in here.
It's 4 minutes. I'm sweating. It's getting hot. How much is the temperature?
God damn.
I can't support.
It's too hot?
Yeah,
Too hot?
I'm
Couldn't
sweating
take
after
it?
3 minutes. 3 minutes and start sweating.
3 minutes, you couldn't do it? Too long? How about you? How does it feel after 3 minutes?
It's pretty hot in here.
All right, well, thank you guys for participating.
A child cannot support this.
No, thank you so much. I did this to show you guys why a child shouldn't even be left in the car for even 3 minutes,
3 minutes, yeah.
let alone 10 minutes. 3 minutes, it gets way too hot in there, and an infant can't handle that.
Especially if they're young too.
My name's Joey, and I'm doing a social experiment today to show people the dangers of leaving their child in a car unattended for more than 10 minutes. Would you guys like to help participate in showing people the experiment?
It's really hot out there. I'm sweaty. You're sweaty. Really hot.
Where's your phone?
It's really hot. I'm actually sweating on this.
We're dying. It's too hot. What do we talk to?
It's been 4 minutes and 20 seconds and it's really hot in the car.
It's really freaking hot.
It's so hot.
4 minutes,
10
30 seconds.
I've left a sweat mark.
Now, would you ever leave a child in that car?
Never. Who would do that?
Well, thank you so much for helping with this experiment. Thank you so much. Thank you. As you can see from this experiment, some people can't even last 5 minutes in a hot car. Try 10. Never leave your infant in a car unattended, especially in the heat. I'm Joey Salads, and be safe.
Really trying to get this phone call. I'm sorry, bro. It'll just take 2 seconds. That's how I use.
I mean, if I had service again.
All right. Thank you.
Is it okay if you use your phone real quick? My phone died. I just gotta call my girlfriend.